Welcome to Left-Handed Lock Sport. I'm the EJM3, and this is Lockpicking Advent Calendar Day 13. We have made it through the first six, which were standard pins all the way through, and the second 6 days, which were all spools, and now we're on the third set of 6 days, where we're converting all of these spools to serrated, starting with the first pin that we switched out yesterday, and we are progressively picking a harder lock each day for the entire month of March. And we will continue to do that today in hopes to promote Locksport, grow the community, and most of all, have fun. So I'm going to bring my vise over here. The annoying thing about this vise is this thing. I've seen a ton of people have this vise, but no one ever used the suction, and if this goes down, it just wobbles. So if you see me flick this up a whole bunch while we film, it's to try to avoid shakiness. So let's zoom in here. And I'm going Zen mode today. I'm letting the lock tell me how it wants to be picked instead of actively trying to do it. When I'm in active mode, it's generally with master locks and easier to pick locks. When I get to these tougher locks, it is sort of a let my mind rest and let the lock pick itself. So I already picked this first one. It was the serrated one, and then I picked number 3. Now the first one needs to be picked again. There we go. Nice false set. And I'm just going to feel each one very lightly and see if anything gives feedback. Number 5 here. Doing exactly that. Got a nice click. Still feeling some feedback on 5. But I'm going to skip it for now. 6. Just got a little click off of him. Moving back to the front. Number 2 is giving me a lot of counter rotation. Got a click, but no false set. So I wonder if he's picked all the way. I'm going to leave it for now and see if anything else wants to be picked first. I'm just going to let it loose a little bit. And see if 2 fell. We got the whole thing to fall out. So let's start over. We got 1 that wanted to be picked, then 3. And then we had 1 again. Then 5. Then it was back to 2. Oh, 1 needed to be picked yet again. Okay, and then just got a click off 2. This time it stayed in the false set. 3 felt good. Moving on to 4. Nothing off 4. Nothing off 5. Nothing off 6. Moving back to the beginning. 1 still feels good. Nice counter on 2. And we just got a click over. Let's make sure He's all the way over, and I think I just clicked him all the way in place, and 3 needed to click again. I think 5 as well. I'm going to loosen it up. Click 1 over. Nice, false set. 3 needs to be picked again. Click, and a nice false set. I think we're getting close. I think I overset something, loosened up, pins fell. I'm just going to go up here again. 1, got another click. 2, got a click. Keep on oversetting too. So let's not do that this time. And got a nice click off of 6. And back to 1 again. And we're on 3. 3 got a click. 5 now, going back to 4. Got a click off 4. And now 6 I touched, gave a little bit of counter, and clicked it again. I thought it was going to turn over there. Oh, touch 2, went down, here we go. 2's our key. The one that we've been oversetting. Is the one that we need to get to open. Very nice. That is a satisfying pick. So let's get this open. And I got the thing, so you can see what we're dealing with. And then we'll figure out what we're doing tomorrow. Be right back. Alright, so there we go. Day 13. We got all those spools and this one serrated hanging out over here. And for tomorrow, a random number generator says that we should be pinning up chamber 6. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, click like, subscribe, and the notification bell to get emails every time I release a new video. And until tomorrow, peace.